see, this is what people think I'm thinking. I love guns in the other section. Or internet's like, no, please. All this. Go on, na sabi, umalis na kayo. But what this is what I'm actually thinking. Yo, ChatGPT, can we create a story about a zombie by parasite? Okay, thank you, ChatGPT. Let's make the symptoms and early signs of infection and special infected. And also characters. Next thinking. What if Arthur actually lived? Then go to mention Micah with John A.